Njam, njam, njam. Ihr könnt es geben. Sie zwei haben gehabt. Den kenne ich nicht, dem gebe ich nichts. Er verreckt vielleicht noch. Ja, komm.
Something to eat?
Da.
Here.
Me? How about you? You look like crap, Lee. When was the last time you ate?
I'm okay.
I want you to have this, okay? In case you or Clementine starts feeling weak.
Hi
I know
nochmal!
I said it didn't matter why you saved me instead of Doug, but...
You don't owe me anything, Carly.
Jetzt friss. Ha! Gut, dann gib's halt einen anderen da, der mit mir auf Jagd gegangen ist. Du, kommst es über.
Here, eat something.
Käse und Cracker!
Thanks, Lee.
So
Need
gut.
any help with the wall?
Nope.
Actually, we could use your axe. Do you mind if we take it?
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
Hab deine Fresse, Fetzer. Gib's ja Mark, man!
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
Nein.
Come on, Larry. Give it a rest, man. Things are different. Being a racist is outdated.
Oh, and that's what you think this is?
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you told him?
Ja, ja. Ja.
Yeah, that's right.
And what are you gonna do about it?
Look, I
Leck
don't
die
care
um.
what it is, but you two have got to start trying to get along.
The only thing I have to do is protect my daughter. And right now, that means getting this damn wall fixed. So I would appreciate it if you two would shut up and let me get back to work.
Not such an easy job, is it?
Never said it was.
Ja.
I don't envy you. I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Hey, thanks for looking out for me and my family. I'm serious about that offer to come with us. You've more than earned a ride on the RV with me. Still, I guess some people aren't going to be happy with your choices.
You're out! What happened to my food?
There's none left.
You keep treating people like this, and your days in this group are numbered.
You're one to talk, old man.
Yeah? Well, I don't see you working on that wall.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
He didn't make it, did he?
He lost too much blood.
God damn it. I'm getting sick of this shit.
Ken, come back. There's nothing...
Was ist einfach, wenn ich habe 8 Schnauze voll?
What's his problem?
Don't be like that, Lee. I know we've all seen death, but that doesn't make it any easier. That man, God, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
Well, at least he's not our problem anymore.
What about the other kid?
Ah! What the fuck? Cool. Woo! Ah! Was muss ich machen? Und links! Und rechts! Ja, nein, umgekehrt. Wieso bin ich plötzlich auch im Truck drin? Ah! Piss dich! Ah! Ja, was? Ach so. Ah, scheiße. Ja, ne! Wer sollte ich das wissen? Ja. Bitch! Ah, so. Jetzt muss ich zurückgehen. Fuck off! Ah! Ah! Ah!
You okay?
Yeah, thanks.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place, asshole?
Dad, calm down.
You're gonna get us all killed!
Why didn't you tell us he was bitten?
What?
He was bitten, and you didn't say a goddamn word!
But he wasn't bitten, I swear!
Well, your not-bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife!
What? Wait, you all don't know?
What the hell are you talking about?
It's not the bite that does it. You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens. It's gonna happen to all of us.
Du lügst, sie dir Gott Stirnsbrei.
God help us.
It makes sense. In those first few days, it spread so fast.
Car accidents, suicides. Everything was making more of them.
When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in a gym and everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think, I guess she couldn't take it. She took some pills. A lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and... God.
Back off!
Whoa, lady, relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us out.
I said back off! Carly.
Die wollen keinen, seid ihr bewaffnet?
Are you armed?
Yeah. For protection. Dead could be anywhere.
But, I think you got the upper hand here.
Why do you need gas?
Our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. If y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out, see if it's legit? I'm going with you. I got your back if anything seems fishy.
So, what are y'all thinking?
Nou, we blijven even... Ja, kom, ga maar
You got a
gloeien.
deal. We'll bring some gas to your dairy. In exchange, you give us some food to bring back. We'll see how it goes from there.
Sounds fair. A couple gallons should power one of our generators for a while.
So, this dairy, you guys really have food?
Sure do. We lost most of the cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
It's nice to get away from that motel for a while. This Lily Kenny thing is starting to get ridiculous. Personally, I'd be happier if you started to take charge more.
Kenny motiviert uns ständig.
Kenny keeps us motivated.
Kenny ist mein Boy, Mann. Ist mein Kollege.
It's for us not to give that up. I can't fault him for that.
Or maybe you just don't want to be in charge.
Well, not everyone thinks I'm so trustworthy.
Because of your past. Does anyone else know?
Ich weiß gar nicht. Larry weiß.
Great. That can't be easy.
Clementine knows. She was there when we were talking in the drugstore and asked me about it. I couldn't lie to her.
What exactly did happen with the senator?
Es war ein Unfall. Jetzt ist es dann.
It was an accident. I mean, I pretty much knew about the affair. Sometimes I wonder if I should talk to the group about it.
You don't have to. Whatever happened before things went to hell doesn't matter anymore.
Not sure everyone would see it that way.
Maybe you're right. Listen, over the years, I've reported on some pretty messed up shit. I've seen situations like yours 100 times. It doesn't have to make you a bad man.
I really appreciate that.
I mean, thank God Lee showed up when he did. Right, Lee?
Yeah, why don't you tell us a little more about yourself, Lee?
Where are you from?
Ich bin in Macon aufgewachsen, das Motel ist jetzt mein Zuhause.
I grew up in Macon.
Right here in the heart of Georgia. That's what I like to hear. Y'all seem pretty settled in at that motor inn. Who's running things over there?
Lily, Kenny, der
Kenny's the
Kenny!
guy who really keeps a group together.
Don't let Lily hear you say that.
How many people you got over there anyway?
9, mit den Kindern genug, um uns.
Mine, including the kids.
You forgot Ben.
Me?
That makes it 10.
Well, we'd love to get you all out to the dairy. Like I said, we got plenty of food, and quite frankly, we could always use an extra helping hand.
In the summers, I used to help out on a goat farm.
Yeah, that's great. Everything helps.
Mama's been running the dairy for, well, as long as I can remember, but now it's...
You think you're gonna cut me out of this?